Here's how to use the Miraculous Oil High Shine Hair Concentrate. This lightweight oil instantly boosts shine and leaves your hair twice as smooth, all with a calming pure fume aroma. Plus, it's safe for color-treated hair. This product can be used on damp or dry hair. For damp hair, make sure you wring it out as much water as possible before application for best results. Start with 1 to 2 drops in your palms, then work through the mid-lengths and ends of your hair. For curly and coily hair types, start with about 2 to 4 drops. This oil has a heat protectant up to 450 degrees, so blow dry and style your hair as usual. If you're using the Miraculous oil on dry hair, apply 1 to 2 drops to your hands to smooth frizz and add a radiant shine. For higher density and texture, use 2 to 4 drops. Start with less and then add more if needed. This lightweight oil applies beautifully, and just 1 drop can add all-day shine for fine hair types. Have a great day with Verde.